Hey guys, I just wanted to help you if you have any questions on this assignment, and I thought maybe making one of these little videos would be the easiest way. So basically, we're reviewing a little bit the demographic transition model. So honestly, the first thing I would do is go back and review that if you don't remember some of this stuff. If you can't automatically tell me like stage 2 is high and stage 4 is low, then go back and review it. The economic indicators should be from chapter 9, and then Rostow and Wallerstein, I believe, are both in chapter 9 as well. What you need to look at for stage 1, if you use your Rubenstein book on page 257, there's an example of a chart that you could use. So, like, what I would say for stage 1, I'm just going to go ahead and type in here since this is my master. The crude birth rate would be around 40. So I'm just going to say 40, that's fine. The crude death rate would be around 40 as well. So then the NIR, the natural increase rate, ends up being 0 or like maybe 0.1 or something. But remember, when we learned about this, we said that if the rate is below 1.2, that you're not going to replace your population. So this is a very low growth rate. For economic indicators, I might use GDP, economic sector, and like unemployment or something. Okay, now for stage 1, this is going to be tricky because really no country is in stage 1 anymore. So I would just try to use like a hypothetical example. Maybe the GDP per capita is like 3,000 or something very low. Now these other countries you can Google and get answers for. But stage 1, because no country is a stage 1 anymore, you just kind of have to guess. The stage 1 economic sector, I would say, should be primary. And the unemployment, this sounds weird, but I'm going to say none because probably there wasn't like a real system of like labor. Everybody was engaged in subsistence farming, hunting, and gathering. Colt and Ellie, my 6-year-old and puppy, are having some kind of feud in the background. I'm sorry. But guys, Rostow's stages of development and Wallerstein's world systems theory, this is where you can be a little bit more general. So Rostow, you might say this is like stage 1, traditional society. Wallerstein, you might say this is periphery. Okay, and then honestly, stages 2 through 5, you can probably find pretty much everything out there on the internet, I'd be willing to bet. But again, these numbers here for the birth rate, death rate, and NIR, you can find some information on page 57, or you can just dig a little bit deeper in chapter 2 and find some of that in some country examples. Hope this helps. Keep emailing me your questions. That's what I'm here for. Love you, miss you. See you soon.